Hey there, welcome to the tropical paradise of Bali. Bali is a vibrant island located in Indonesia, known for its stunning scenery, rich culture and vibrant atmosphere. From the rolling hills of Ubud to the pristine beaches of Seminyak, Bali has something to offer for everyone. Bali is a visual feast, with breathtaking landscapes, ancient temples, and lush green forests. The island's rice terraces and volcanic mountains offer a unique contrast, making it the perfect destination for photographers and nature lovers. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel content. Bali's rich cultural heritage is on full display, with traditional dances, colorful festivals, and intricate wood carvings. Bali is a true adventure destination, with activities for all tastes, from surfing lessons and yoga to cooking classes and cultural tours. Whether you want to explore the island's breathtaking waterfalls, take a hike to a volcanic crater, or try your hand at whitewater rafting, Bali has you covered. Foodies will love the island's diverse cuisine, from street food stalls to fine dining restaurants, offering a taste of traditional Indonesian dishes and international flavors. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flight, and come discover the magic of Bali for yourself. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, this island paradise has it all, and we can't wait to show you around. Leave a like and subscribe to support our work.